I was a race car driver. I always drove Hudsons, and my car was blue and it was number 12. So I went to, there was a Hudson advertised and I belonged to the Hudson Club, and there was a Hudson advertised in New Hampshire that the guy was wanting to sell it. So I went and looked, I bought it, but after I bought it, the guy said, I got another one out in back of my barn, this one. He said, if you want it, you can have it. So I said, okay, I'll take a look at it. Well, it was buried in mud up to the doors. But I dug it out, picked it up with my trailer, brought it home, and I see, you know what? I parked it in front of my garage. It sat there for about a couple of weeks. I went to see the movies Cars. I think I'm gonna build a car. It looked like they had in the movie. I have the '53 Hudson. I went home and I started it. It took me 5 years to restore it and make it like the car in the movie. So, Paul Newman's car. My name's Joe Wilcox. I raced Hudsons all my life. I raced at Riverside Park, won a few championships up there. I raced Plainville, West Haven, all the race tracks around New England, so I did that for 20 years. The love for Hudsons, and they were good cars. I won a lot of races with them.
So what did you have to do with this one to get it ready in the way it is today?
You want to see?
Yeah.
That's what it was when I bought it. This is part of when I just before I started restoring it. That's when I towed it out of the woods. It was all rotted. And I had it stripped down to nothing. There were no floors in it, no chassis. There it is, all apart. And this when I start putting it back together. No fenders, no nothing. There it was. This is when I painted it. I did all this work myself. There's the engine. I built the engine for it. That was it's on my garage floor. I put the engine in that day. This is after I painted it. It was all painted there. And that's the finished product. Yeah, 5 years. It was fun. I enjoy doing this stuff. I've been a mechanic all my life too, so. I take it to, I bring it here, I took it to Syracuse, they had 8,000 cars up there. And I got a prize with it. One of the best 12, top 12 out of 8,000 stuff. All the kids, they know all that, they come in to get lollipops. They love the Doc Hudson. Little kids, they know what Doc Hudson is. It's interesting. We have a lot of fun. Yeah, they say there's quite a few of these people built them, and they say there's one in Disneyland down in Florida. There's one in a lot of the museums. They have these. But it's fun to drive. You know, get everybody go like this, blowing the horn, and it's exciting. I made most of the panels myself. I just bought metal, made, welded it all together, did all the body work. That's what I do. I love doing it.